want to share with you our DIY trip to Singapore. So, nasa immigration na po kami niyan, and then we prepared all the necessary documents like the certificate of employment, the return ticket, accommodation, and successful naman. And then first time na husband ko. So, napagod siya. Kasi maaga yung flight namin. And then, nasa SG na kami. So, DIY. So, expected na hindi mo talaga pakabisado yung mga lugar. So, you need to check the Google Map. So, mas prefer namin na mag-train kasi mas convenient sa amin.
Going to Terminal 2.
That's the bus going to the train station.
MRT. Going to Panamera. Little India.
And yung
Singapore.
accommodation pala namin is nasa Little India.
Huh?
Right.
So, we explored a Little India and I think mahaba yung nilakad namin yan. So, it's our first day and nakakapagod. Kasi daming lakad na naganap. So, after that, dahil may show sa Marina Bay Sands, which is yung special show. So, after namin, palagay yung mga gamit namin sa MBS. Kaya, train din. Enjoy the show.
First time kayo mag-out of the country, prepare nyo lang yung mga important na documents na ita-ask tatanong ng immigration officer. Like, meron ka bang job? Saan? And then, may times na hihingi sila ng proof of employment. So, kailangan mag-request sa HR niyan. And then, the return ticket, the accommodation, very important. So, after naming Marina Bay Sands, which is yung special show, gutom na kami. So, pumunta kami sa Lau Pasat. So, daming choices. And mas maganda talaga na mag-research kayo kung saan yung mas masarap na kainan. Yung kinain lang namin dyan is nakalimutan ko na yung name ng resto, but it's a ramen and dumplings.
How's your video?
Secondary.
Going to USS.
Cable cars, Pokemon, going to USS. And the Universal Studio Singapore. Hindi na kami nakapasok niyan kasi you need to allot a 1 day. And so this is the cable car Pokemon going to Mount Faber. So this is the Mount Faber full of bells. It's a breathtaking view. And ramen again kasi gutom na. And this is the Art Science Museum where you can enjoy the 3D effects and write your name or anything you want. Then you can sit in the screen, and I don't know what's that called. It's like a kid there though. And this is the Super Tree Grove in Gardens by the Bay. And gutom na naman kami. And this is the Arab Street where you can witness the culture of the Arab people. And we saw some barrels there. And there's Little India. This is the famous house there. So maganda siya puntahan. And makapag-picturean ito na may ulan. And ito naman is we're going to, I think that's our last day, and we're going to Jewel, to Changi Airport. And we can see there the Jewel Vortex. And tada! This is Jewel Vortex. And yung kulay pala niyan is nag-change. Merong pink, merong orange, merong blue, merong green. And that's all for our DIY trip. Comment down below for any questions. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.